In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. If you've ever wondered how to make your website more dynamic and visually stimulating, adding a horizontal scrolling image gallery could be the perfect touch. It's an excellent way to display your portfolio, feature products, or share any collection of images in an interactive and engaging format. Let's dive right into this simple and effective process. First off, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. On the login page, click the Login button and select Continue with Google to swiftly sign in using your existing Google credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you'll see a list of your existing websites. Click on the website you plan to modify or add images to, which will open the editing interface tailored to your particular site. Now, let's move to the editing process. Start by navigating to the Edit option on your Squarespace menu. Once you've opened the editing tools, your next step is to add a new section. Click on Add Section in your page editor to access a variety of customizable sections. To include images, click on the Images tab. This feature is your gateway to creating a new scrolling gallery. Select Gallery View from the available options to ensure your images are organized in an attractive and accessible format. Moving forward, click on Edit Section to fine-tune the settings of your image gallery. In the editing options, navigate to the Grid Simple dropdown. From this menu, choose Slideshow Simple. This setting will transform your grid layout into a sleek slideshow format, perfect for horizontal scrolling. Next, enhance the functionality of your gallery by turning on the Thumbnails option. Thumbnails provide a preview of each image, allowing visitors to browse through your gallery quickly and efficiently. To make your gallery truly come to life, click on the Autoplay option. Enabling autoplay ensures your slideshow progresses automatically, without needing manual navigation from your website visitors. Lastly, to ensure the pacing of your slideshow suits your audience, scale down the slide duration to keep the experience engaging. Adjusting the duration helps create a delightful viewing rhythm that enhances the visitor experience. And there you have it. You've successfully created a horizontally scrolling image gallery on your Squarespace site. This captivating feature not only adds a dynamic visual element to your site, but also enriches how your audience engages with your content. Thanks for watching and happy creating!